Hello everybody, I hope everything's going well. So for today's makeup look, I'm gonna do this eye look, and of course I'm gonna put some fake lashes. And today I plan to do a beautiful natural skin with some false freckles, and this is the first time that I do it, literally, but I love false freckles. I think this is so cute and so beautiful, so I want to give it a try today. So let's see what happens. So let's get started this look. I'm gonna pull my hair back and then we're gonna start off applying the eyeshadow base. But before I start, please like this video if you did, because of the new algorithm of YouTube, so YouTube will know that you like my video and they will recommend it much more. Also, you have to comment down below what you think of this makeup look and of the content of my channel. I also love to know your opinion about what I'm doing here, because I am here just for you guys and I want to know what I want to see here next in my channel as well. So to begin this look, I'm gonna apply the eyeshadow base Paint Pot by MAC. Oh my god, I forgot, so just don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you still didn't, hit the notification bell, this is really important, and also like this video if you did. So now, I'll be right back. So I'm gonna apply just a little bit of product, and I'm gonna use my clean finger to apply. This is for my personal use, by the way, so I can apply with my fingers. So let me grab a mirror because I forgot it as well. So before, I'm gonna just apply it right here, so fast and easy. So for today's makeup look, I'm gonna use the Glam Reflections Gilded Eyeshadow Palette by BH Cosmetics, and this is so beautiful. Let me open this up to show you guys. Whoa, look at this! So I'm gonna start off using this shade right here with a blending brush, and this is a nude shade. This will be part of my transition shade, and next I'm gonna mix this color with this one. So this will be my transition shade. I'm gonna blend this eyeshadow all over my crease and a little bit in the inner corner of my eyes, as you can see here, just to create a more depth and dimension in this look. And here underneath, I'm gonna just leave it without any eyeshadow because I think to create a different look today, so I'm not gonna apply anything till I finish my foundation, and then let's see what happens. If I feel that I need to apply something, then I'm gonna just touch up this look. So for now, I'm gonna leave it free, I mean in the lower lash line of my eyes. So I'm gonna continue to blend this eyeshadow. And as you can see, this eyeshadow is so soft, so you have a more blended look. It will bring this orange eyeshadow more to the neutral side at the same time that is kind of hot eyeshadow. So I'm gonna apply this a little bit. Right here, not hot, warm eyeshadow. I got a little confused. I'm gonna just blend this orange eyeshadow, especially in the outer corner of my eyes. And next, I'm gonna apply a dark brown eyeshadow in the outer corner and in the inner corner as well. I'm gonna just leave the center of my eyelid free without any eyeshadow. It's a little bit of a darker eyeshadow than the others that I was using, but not so dark as this one. This medium brown with a fluffy brush is basically the same brush that I was using before, but a clean one. With a clean brush will help me to create a better effect in the smoky eye. So I'm gonna place this shade right here and here, and now I'm gonna just blend these eyeshadows together. And now in the center of my eyelid, I'm gonna use these two eyeshadows together. I'm gonna mix layering the darker first, and next I'm gonna layer this lighter one right on top because I like this three-dimensional effect in my makeup look. So I'm gonna start applying with my clean finger as well because I have a more intense look doing this. So I'm gonna apply, and the lighter shade I'm gonna apply below my brows to highlight and also in the tear duct area. Now I'm gonna line my eyes using the gel liner Wicked by Sigma. I love this gel liner. It's very pigmented, it's very black, and it's waterproof. Also, it's so easy to apply. So I'm gonna apply this gel liner using this little tiny angled brush by Sigma, and this is my favorite to line my eyes. This is the E06 Winged Liner. And don't worry if it's not perfect, because right on top I'm gonna apply a dark brown eyeshadow to smoke out this eyeliner. So I'm gonna start off applying the gel liner here in the other corner of my eyes. Nope, I don't know what happened today, but I also forgot. Oh my god, today I'm forgetting everything. So I also forgot to highlight the inner corner of my eyes and below my brows. And I'm gonna use this shade for this with a little tiny brush. And I'm gonna use this one. This is by Sigma as well. So I'm gonna grab a little bit of product and apply in the tear duct of my eyes. And next, I'm gonna finish off the eyeliner here in the tear duct, like this side. So now I'm just gonna continue to line my eyes here in the tear duct area. And now to blend everything, I'm gonna just use this darker brown eyeshadow from the palette. And it is this shade right here. To apply this shade, I'm gonna use another angled brush. This one also by Sigma, because it will help me to blend. Alright, so I just applied my fake lashes and now I'm gonna apply my foundation. This is the color Stay by Revlon and this is the normal to dry skin formula. This formula is not for the oily skin. It's a little bit moisturizing and I really love this effect in my skin because I don't have to apply the moisturizer first. I used this foundation size a while ago and I really like the effect, so I'm gonna show you today in this video how it looks. Now I'm gonna contour and highlight my face, and today I'm gonna use the Time Balm Concealer by the Balm. I'm gonna use the shade Lighter Than the Light, this light shade right here, to highlight my face everywhere I want to bring forward, and the After Dark shade to contour where I want to sculpt my face and make it appear slimmer. So before I set my face, today I'm gonna do different. I'm gonna apply the highlighter Mary Luminizer by the Balm. I love to use my highlighter and blush like this because it will make the highlighter and blush stick in my foundation, and this process will make my whole makeup look last longer. So I'm gonna apply first my highlighter, and I'm gonna use the high cheekbone brush by Sigma. This is a little tip that I love to do in my clients or models. So I'm gonna apply the highlighter everywhere I want to highlight in my face, where naturally the light hits my face. Just go adding the product a little at a time, because when your foundation is wet or not set yet, you have big chances to create kind of these harsh lines in your face and pack a lot of product right on top of the wet foundation. So when you apply the powder first, it's easier to blend, but you don't have this blinding effect, and this is what I like. So I like to apply a little bit of product like this. I'm gonna apply right here as well. Okay, so now I'm gonna apply blush, and I'm gonna use California Dream by Benefit Cosmetics. This is my favorite blush ever. I love this color so much and it fits my skin tone so well. So look at this. This is my little baby. I bring it everywhere with me. To touch up is not needed, but I like to use a lot of blush in my face. So I'm gonna apply a little bit in the apples of my cheeks. And I'm gonna blend the outside of my face to give a more natural effect. So now, before I set my face, I'm gonna do my false freckles, and I'm gonna use the same palette that I was using before with this shadow right here and this little tiny brush, so I can create the dots in my face. And I'm gonna try to do this natural as possible, so that's why I'm using this medium brown. And now I'm gonna just create the dots in my face. Oh, this is so cute! Can you see? I love these freckles. I think it's so beautiful. And this is how it looks. Oh my god, I'm so happy because I love my freckles and I wish I really had them. Because I love it! Look at this! It's so cute! So now I'm gonna just set my face, and today I'm gonna use translucent powder by Too Faced Cosmetics, and this is Born This Way Ethereal Setting Powder. So I'm gonna open this up and I'm gonna apply. Woo! I love this little cap right here so you don't lose a lot of powder. I'm gonna put a little bit here in cap of my powder. Oh my god, I think I grabbed too much. So I'm gonna apply in my face. And now I'm gonna carefully set my faux freckles. I don't want it to smudge them. And to finish off this makeup look, I'm gonna apply this liquid lipstick by Cosmetics. This is the color Revlon. It's the first time that I'm using this shade as well. So let's see what happens. I'm in love with my freckles. Now I want to have it forever because I love them. This is so cute. So now I'm gonna finish off this look. Oh my god, this lipstick smells so good. I love the smells of it. Maybe this lipstick is too dark for me, so I'm gonna remove the excess a little bit. And that's it for this looky. Oh my god, I'm so excited with my freckles. I cannot wait to take a lot of pictures for you guys. And I also love this smoked eyeliner with the fake lashes. Helps to lift my eyes as well, but both together, whoa, I love this effect. Especially because I didn't apply anything in the lower lash line. I just used the mascara in the lower lashes. But that's it for this look. I really love how it turned out. It's kind of different for me because I never did freckles before, but I really love the effect, and I was inspired in my favorite Snapchat filter. So I'm gonna put it down below or beside of me, anywhere, just to show you which is the filter that I like to use. So that's it for this video, my lovies. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope that you love it much as I did. I had so much fun creating this look for you guys, and I see you later in the next tutorials. Bye!